In Excel 365, when you want to apply a condition to display different results based on certain criteria, the if function is the best tool to use. Instead of manually checking each case one by one, this function allows you to automate the decision-making process based on a logical condition. Let's look at a specific example to understand how the if function works. Imagine you have a list of students and their average scores. You want to determine whether each student has passed or failed based on their score. The passing condition is simple. If the average score is 7 or higher, the student passes. If it's below 7, the student fails. To apply this, we use the if function in Excel. Start with subject if followed by the condition. First, select the cell containing the student's average score. Then, write the condition greater than or equal to 7. After the semicolon, enter the result if the condition is true. In this case, type pass. Then after another semicolon, type the result for the false condition, which is fail. Finally, close the parenthesis. When you press enter, Excel will evaluate the average score and return either pass or fail based on the condition. For example, if a student has an average score of 8.6, the result returned will be pass. To apply the same logic to the entire column of students, simply copy the formula down. Excel will automatically adjust the formula for each row. In this example, after copying the formula, we see that only 2 students scored below 7 with scores of 6 and 4. These students are marked as failed by the formula. Using the if function in Excel simplifies conditional tasks and saves a lot of manual effort. This example demonstrates how easy it is to classify results using logical rules in your spreadsheets.